Far across vast tropical grasslands, the magnificent White Brahman bull stands as a symbol of strength, endurance, and natural beauty. Its brilliant white coat shines beneath the morning sun, while its smooth, curved horns reveal distinctive patterns shaped over years of natural growth. In today's documentary, we step inside a modern White Brahman bullhorn processing factory to explore how carefully collected natural horns are transformed through advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship into elegant luxury products admired worldwide. Join us as we follow every stage of the manufacturing journey, from raw horn inspection and preparation to precision shaping, polishing, and the creation of premium luxury goods. As the day begins, carefully collected White Brahman bullhorns arrive at the modern processing facility from approved suppliers. Every shipment is documented, weighed, and labeled for complete traceability. Trained inspectors visually examine each horn, checking its natural color, thickness, length, curve, and overall condition. Horns with cracks, deep defects, or structural damage are separated, while the highest quality pieces continue to the next stage of production. Selected horns move to the cleaning area, where technicians remove dust, dirt, and other surface impurities, using water, soft brushes, and specialized cleaning equipment. Every horn is washed thoroughly to reveal its natural white color and unique grain pattern. After cleaning, the horns are rinsed with fresh water and carefully dried under controlled conditions to prepare them for the next stage of processing while maintaining their natural appearance. Once completely dry, each horn enters the grading station. Experienced technicians measure its length, diameter, wall thickness, color consistency, and natural curvature using precision instruments. The horns are sorted into different quality grades depending on their size and intended use. This careful classification ensures that every piece of raw material is matched with the most suitable luxury product, minimizing waste while maintaining consistent quality throughout production. The selected horns are transferred to the cutting workshop, where automated bandsaws and precision cutting machines remove the solid horn base and separate the usable sections. Every cut is carefully planned to maximize material yield while preserving the horn's natural grain. Operators constantly monitor each machine to ensure clean, accurate cuts and to prevent damage to the valuable raw material. The cut horn pieces are placed into temperature-controlled heating chambers. Heat softens the natural keratin, making each piece flexible enough to reshape without breaking. Skilled technicians carefully control the temperature and heating time, because excessive heat can damage the horn's natural color and strength. Once softened, each piece is immediately transferred to the forming station. Hydraulic presses gently flatten or shape the softened horn into the desired form. Custom steel molds create smooth sheets, curved panels, or other specialized shapes depending on the final product. As the horn cools inside the mold, it hardens and permanently retains its new shape. Every piece is checked to ensure it meets exact dimensional requirements before moving forward. The formed horn pieces enter the machining department, where precision CNC machines, drills, routers, and trimming tools refine every edge. Any rough surfaces are removed, while holes, slots, and decorative patterns are accurately produced. Advanced equipment ensures every component matches design specifications, allowing each luxury product to fit together perfectly during final assembly. After machining, every horn component passes through multiple sanding stations. Fine abrasive belts gradually smooth the surface, removing tiny scratches left by the cutting tools. Workers inspect each piece under bright lighting, ensuring the natural white color and unique grain remain visible. This careful sanding prepares the horn for the high-gloss finish that will define the final luxury appearance. Next comes the polishing stage, where soft cotton wheels and special polishing compounds bring out the horn's natural shine. As each piece rotates against the polishing wheels, its surface becomes smooth and glossy, revealing beautiful, natural patterns hidden inside the material. Experienced craftsmen inspect every polished piece, ensuring it meets strict luxury quality standards before moving to assembly. While the horn components are being finished, another department prepares premium leather for matching luxury products. Carefully selected hides are inspected for texture, thickness, and durability before being cut into precise patterns using computer-controlled cutting machines. Every leather panel is checked for imperfections, ensuring only premium quality material continues to production. Skilled leatherworkers stitch the prepared leather panels together using heavy-duty industrial sewing machines. Strong, evenly spaced stitches create durable seams while maintaining a clean, elegant appearance. Handles, straps, linings, and reinforced corners are carefully assembled, producing luxury bags and accessories designed for years of reliable use, while perfectly complementing the polished horn components. Finished horn components are carefully matched with leather products during assembly. Craftsmen install polished horn handles, decorative panels, buckles, zipper pulls, and other premium details by hand. Every component is aligned with precision to create a perfect fit. The natural beauty of the white horn blends beautifully with the rich leather, giving each luxury product its distinctive appearance. Each assembled product now enters the finishing department. Workers trim loose threads, smooth leather edges, apply protective edge paint, and polish every horn surface one final time. Metal hardware is tightened, moving parts are tested, and every detail is carefully inspected. Small imperfections are corrected immediately to ensure every product meets luxury quality standards before inspection. The completed products arrive at the Quality Control Laboratory, where trained inspectors examine every item under bright lighting. They check stitching strength, horn finish, leather texture, hardware alignment, color consistency, and overall craftsmanship. Any product that fails to meet strict quality standards is returned for correction, while approved pieces receive their final quality certification. Approved luxury products move to the packaging department. Each item is carefully cleaned, wrapped in soft protective material, placed inside premium dust bags, and packed into elegant presentation boxes. Product information, care instructions, and quality certificates are added before every package is sealed. Finally, the finished goods are prepared for shipment to luxury retailers and customers around the world. Before shipping, warehouse staff organize every boxed product according to destination and customer order. Barcode scanners verify inventory, while protective cartons are stacked securely onto pallets. Each shipment is wrapped to prevent damage during transportation. Logistics teams coordinate deliveries by truck, ship, or air, ensuring every luxury horn product reaches retailers and customers safely and on schedule across international markets. Behind every finished product is the dedication of engineers, machine operators, quality inspectors, designers, and skilled craftsmen. Their combined knowledge transforms carefully processed natural horn into elegant luxury items that celebrate both traditional artistry and modern manufacturing. Every polished surface reflects countless hours of precision, patience, and attention to detail. Modern technology continues to improve efficiency throughout the factory. Computer-controlled machinery increases cutting accuracy, while advanced polishing systems produce flawless finishes with minimal material waste. Strict quality standards, organized production lines, and experienced workers ensure every stage operates smoothly, allowing the factory to consistently produce premium horn products for customers around the world. Our journey inside the modern White Brahman bullhorn processing factory comes to an end, revealing how natural horn is transformed into beautiful luxury products through skill, precision, and craftsmanship. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating factory tour. If you enjoyed this documentary, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing factory process videos and how it's made, documentaries from around the world.